In today's video, I bring to you just 1 minute yoga exercises to finally get rid of your hip, butt and thigh fat, which will help you achieve slim and sexy legs and a rounded butt once and for all. Yes, you heard that right. That very stubborn fat around your thigh area and hip area which just refuses to budge, and it makes your dresses and jeans look so ill-fitted that you can't even wear clothes of your own choice. Besides, it also comes along with many other problems. The first being a chub rub. When you have heavy thighs, they're bound to rub against each other, cause friction, redness and pain. And it's mighty painful. Trust me, I've been through it all when I had such heavy thighs. And the worst is when I got bullied because of having heavy thighs. They even named me Thunder Thighs in school, just because I was a little heavier and slightly overweight than the other girls. In fact, my own very friends, they used to refuse sitting next to me in the bus or at school just because of the fear of being squished. They'd say, no, she takes all the place and we don't get any space to sit in. Besides, I also started avoiding turning my back around because I didn't want anybody to see my hips. So I would end up getting another name from the bullies. I'm sure you all face these problems too, day in and day out. So I'm here sharing the simple and easy 1 minute exercise I've followed every single day to finally achieve the results I wanted. And I want each one of you to try these out along with me in this very video today. So before we begin the simple yoga exercises, let me show you the warm-up. All you need to do is stand straight, bend your knees slightly, make sure there's no distance between your knees. You have to keep your hands here and then you have to rotate your knees clockwise. Make very small and gentle circles, don't go fast. And this is a very easy and effective warm-up. Now we're going to go anti-clockwise. After all, knees are what actually take our whole body weight. That's why we need to do some exercises to keep them absolutely in good shape. Now we are going to rotate our waist, our hip. Make as big a circle as you can. First we're going to go clockwise, keep your breathing normal. Just getting into exercise mode with this very easy warm-up. Now we are going to go anti-clockwise. Make as big a circle as you can. And before you perform these exercises, you should be absolutely empty stomach. So I suggest you do them early in the morning. Done. Let's begin the exercise. So I hope you enjoyed today's exercise session along with me. Now don't forget to play this video every single morning and do these very exercises. Along with this, I suggest you follow clean eating, keep your eating habits absolutely on spot. Don't forget to have 3 square meals and 2 healthy snacks in a day to keep all the sugar cravings and hunger cravings at bay. Also include about 3 to 4 liters of water daily into your routine, and you should also sleep 6 to 7 hours minimum every single night. So I'm sure if you follow these simple tips and do these exercises every single day, you're sure bound to see magnificent results and finally get rid of that hip, thigh and butt fat. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.